Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel, My Trading Insight, and today we are going to talk about Ethereum. As you know that in the last session, in the last video, we have been talking about the Ethereum when it has touched around 3600, almost I guess 70 region. So now it's almost has touched that area. Of course, that was our target, and then after that we told you that there would be a pushback toward the supportive level, which is now around 3600 440. So that was the level which was very critical at this time, and we told you yesterday that this level can be met in the next few day. तो अभी यहाँ पर तो उसने टच कर दिया हमारा जो लेवल था, जो हमने आपको टारगेट दिया था. That level has been touched, and it is holding up that supportive level, and also we are going for that is what we have told you and what we expected and exactly what has happened right now. तो अगर हम यहाँ से बात करें तो मार्केट में अभी क्या आना है, एक तो यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट 3 वेव्स हो चुकी हैं. चौथी वेव जो है वो ऊपर उसने हाई अपना लगाया है जो कि लोअर हाई है, और देन इट इज स्टार्टेड द कमिंग डाउन. लेट्स सी दैट हाउ दिस विल इफेक्ट एंड वर्क. अगर हम यहाँ से बात करें तो हमारे पास जो यहाँ पे ट्रेडिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं वो क्या हैं, दैट इज़ व्हाट मैटर्स राइट नाउ. तो हमारे पास सपोर्टिव लेवल है जो कि एक सॉलिड सपोर्ट लेवल है 3534 and 3520. That are the solid sport level where you can initiate your trading, and with this sport level definitely you can expect for the higher results, and that's what will happen. I guess if there wouldn't be bigger shift in the Bitcoin prices, if Bitcoin falls sharply, then maybe we will see a little bit fall in the Ethereum prices as well. That's what you have to keep in your mind, that if अगर आप लोग यहाँ से ट्रेड करना चाहते हैं तो थोड़ा सा आपको BTC को माइंड में रखना होगा कि वो उसकी प्राइसेस क्या कर रही हैं, बिकॉज Ethereum at this point looking in very good situation, and also the demand is good, the momentum is good in the upward rally, and that is what a trader can expect. And the situation and the formation is very good at this time, and that's why we are telling you that it is bullish right now and very bullish right now. So hopefully that you will get this beneficial for your trading, and just plan your trading in a right way, and then take your orders, take your positions, and then stick with your stop losses, because you know how the current situation in the in this whole region is in Middle East, and all those Iran and Israel and other places as well, Ukraine and Russia. So anytime anything can happen. That's the the unexpected kind of news you can get, and in that news definitely everything will fall apart. तो एक तो आपको उस चीज़ का ख्याल रखना होगा, and then because at this time BTC is at its all time high already, right? It's almost 95,000 and only 4,000 down by its all time high. तो ये हमारे लिए एक कंसर्निंग मोमेंट है, क्योंकि BTC या तो ऊपर की तरफ अपना मोमेंटम जारी रखे, otherwise when it has shifted its momentum downward and it's very slow, so at any time, because the last time what has happened, the same thing is happening right now as well, because the prices have started moving down very slowly, and then we don't know, but that maybe there would be major drop in the prices of the Bitcoin. तो आपको उस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखना है, और उस चीज़ को ध्यान में रख के अपने आप को ट्रेडिंग को अरेंज करना है. बाय द वे, Ethereum is very solid in its position, in its price structure, market structure, and also its support level is solid right now. तो हमारे पास जो support level हैं उनके बारे में बात करेंगे, and then we will end the video. From here, as I told you, that the first support level is its own low right now, the recent low, and then we can talk about it is around 3530, and then we will be looking forward to 3500. Yeah, 3500 almost. That is the level where you should be looking, 3530, and then the next level is around 3500. And if those two levels will be broken, then we will be looking straight toward around 3400 would be the level where it can get a little resistance, but the major, keep in mind that the major resistance will be around our level 3300 then. So sport level. So these are the sport level. The first level is 3530, and then the second level, it is around 3500, and after that, if prices slips that area and the sport it doesn't hold that level, then you have to come down around 3400. And if the 3400 level, because it's not very strong level, that's being kept in the mind, तो आपको फिर उसके लिए नेक्स्ट लेवल क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए, दैट इज़ अराउंड 3310. तो ये लेवल हैं आपके पास स्पोर्ट्स लेवल. और रेजिस्टेंस जो है वो अभी रिसेंट जो इसका हाई है, जो कि हालांकि इसकी बिल्कुल वो माइनर मूवमेंट है, बिरिश मूवमेंट, उसका जो हाई है जैसे ही वो ब्रेक करेगा तो देन वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ मेजर शार्प मूव अपवर्ड. तो वो है आपका 3630 के बीच में, एंड देन द हाई रिसेंट हाई दैट इज़ अराउंड 3690 और 85. तो वो लेवल जैसे ही क्रॉस होगा तो देन वी विल बी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड अराउंड 3800 एंड 3900. तो ये हमारे पास लेवल हैं. अभी मार्केट सॉलिड एक स्पोर्ट लेवल पे खड़ी हुई है, और वहीं से आपको अपनी ट्रेड इनिशियलाइज कर सकते हैं और उसको आप कैरी कर सकते हैं अपवर्ड until the market breaks its structure and also the recent low high, and then we will be looking for the major high, which is around 3680, and after breaking that level then definitely we will be going for the longer targets. So let's see that what the 4-hour charts, the chart is very solid, the structure is good until that we don't have any bad news in the Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin don't fall that much, then definitely we will be seeing a bullish movement in Ethereum in very recent times, and we will very soon. तो यही है. और मार्केट का स्ट्रक्चर अच्छा है. पहला लो इसने यहाँ पे लगाया जो कि हमारे पास अराउंड 3400 के पास है. देन इसने अपना हाई लगाया जो कि अराउंड 3400 के पास है, एंड देन 3000 का इसने लो लगा के तो ऐसा ऐसा मार्केट ऊपर मूव कर रही है और अपने लोअर हाई जो हैं वो उनको हायर ही कर रही है. द फर्स्ट हाई वाज अराउंड 3390, and then the other one was around 3500, and then we took it to 3550, and now the final high is around 3700. तो ये हमारे पास एक अच्छा स्ट्रक्चर बन रहा है कि मार्केट कंटिन्यूसली मार्केट इज परफॉर्मिंग एंड इज पोस्टिंग न्यू हाइज. So that is being said, just be careful in your trading and enjoy your trading, and just go with your strict stop losses, and then you can be in a bullish zone. Right now the market is in good condition if we don't hear any kind of bad news. So thank you very much. Let me tell you other scenario as well, that if the market will fall from the support level, then we will be looking forward to 3400 and then 3300. These are the two major sports level where the market can expect the pushback upward. So that's it. Let's meet in the next video.